Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn how to make this mini snowflake Christmas tree ornament. So to begin with, we are going to make a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, I have a separate video for the same and I'll be linking it in the description box below. So once we have made a magic ring, we are going to make 6 single crochets in that magic ring. So we'll chain 1 first, and now we're going to insert a hook in that magic ring, yarn over, pull through. We'll have 2 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this is our first single crochet, and we have to make 5 more single crochets in the ring. We are going to again insert a hook in the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through both loops. This is our second single crochet, and we'll make a third one. Now we'll make a fourth one, and this is the 5th one, and we're going to make the last single crochet now. So now we've made 6 single crochets, and now we're going to pull that string tight enough so there are no holes. So this is how it'll look. Now we're going to make a slip knot in the very first single crochet stitch that we made. So we're going to insert a hook in that very first stitch, and we're going to yarn over and pull through. We're going to pull through that stitch, and we're going to pull through that loop as well. So we're going to make a slip stitch over here. Once done, it should somewhat look like this. Now we're going to chain 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once we have chained 5, we are going to skip 2 chains from the hook, and in the 3rd chain we are going to make a slip stitch. We'll insert a hook in the 3rd chain from a hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through that loop as well. Now we're going to chain 2. So this is 1 and 2, and we're going to make a slip stitch in that 3rd chain. We're going to yarn over, pull through, and we're going to pull through that loop as well. Now we're going to chain 2 again, and we are going to make a slip stitch in the same 3rd chain. So we're going to yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through that loop as well. Now we're going to chain 2 again, and we are going to make a slip stitch in that first single crochet that we made. So this is how the first petal of our snowflake will look like. Now we'll move on to our next petal. For that, we are going to again make a slip stitch in the next single crochet stitch, and now we're going to chain 5 again. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we are going to skip the first 2 chains, and in the 3rd chain we are going to make a slip stitch. So we'll insert a hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through that loop as well. Now again we are going to chain 2, will make a slip stitch in that third chain. Now again we are going to make 2 chains and we are going to make a slip stitch in that third chain. Again we are going to make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we are going to make a slip stitch in that second single crochet. We're going to insert our hook in that second single crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and through that loop as well. Now moving on to the next petal, we are going to make a slip stitch in the third single crochet like that. And once we make the slip stitch, we are on our third single crochet, and now we're going to chain 5 again. And of course we're going to skip 2 chains, a slip stitch in the third chain, chain 2, slip stitch in the third chain again, and chain 2, slip stitch in the third chain again. And after we are done, we're going to chain 2 again, and we're going to make a slip stitch in the third single crochet. So this is how we are going to make 6 petals, and once done, our mini snowflake ornament will be ready. So now I'm just going to fast forward this part for you. Once done, it should somewhat look like this. Now we're going to attach a string to our snowflake so that we can tie it on the tree. For that, we're going to choose one petal and we're going to insert our hook in the topmost chain of our petal. We're going to pull through the string, and now we're going to yarn over and pull through both the strings of our yarn from the loop like that. And now our mini snowflake Christmas tree ornament is ready. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!